Good morning, fishermen. Today's Thursday, March 21st, 2019. We're over here at Santa Ana River Lakes in the back of Chris's Pond. The Mount Lassen trout truck just showed up with those big, beautiful, tasty Sierrabows trout, super trout, and lightning trout. Fishermen, the water is coming in clear. The lake's clearing up. Fishing has been great. The fish are currently stacked out there. We got a big stocking plan for today. Don't forget, we got that tournament, the Big Akuma Lightning Trout Tournament, Saturday, March 23rd. Check fishinglakes.com for more details.
Back here at Chris's Pond. Look what we got. We got some lightning.
All right, we are over at the boat dock now.
There we go. It's a tank, it's a big lake.
Oh, nice one, right out of the gate. Oh, he's a fighter. Yeah, he's angry. Super City! Wow, look at the power!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at this! Whoa! Look at fish right here, guys! Look at all these fish! Look at this! Stack it up heavy! That's how we do it, guys! This is the first tank, guys! Check it out! Look at all these big fish!
They're getting the truck into position for the next tank, still here at the boat dock.
Second tank at the boat dock. Here we go, guys.
All right, they're hooking up the next tank still here at the boat dock.
All right, guys, we got tank number 3 hooked up. Got the thumbs up. Here we go. This is tank number 3 at the boat dock. Here we go.
We got a couple of nets set up here. We've ordered extra fish for the big Akuma tournament this Saturday, March 23rd. Check fishinglakes.com for more details. We'll let these nets go Friday night. These are extra fish, so there'll be plenty of fish going in for Saturday's tournament.
All right, guys, tank number 4 here at the boat dock.
All right, we're gonna close this up. Let these go Friday night for Saturday's big Akuma tournament. Check fishinglakes.com for more details.